If you're trying to figure out which septic system works best for your home, knowing the common types like conventional gravity systems, pressure distribution systems, and aerobic treatment units is a game changer. So here's the deal. Conventional gravity systems are the most popular because they rely on natural slope to move wastewater through the system, which means less mechanical stuff can go wrong. Pressure distribution systems are cool because they use a pump to spread out the wastewater evenly, which is clutch when your land layout isn't perfect for gravity flow. Aerobic treatment units are like the fancy option. They add oxygen to break down waste faster, making them great for smaller lots or tricky soil. If you want your septic system to last, keep up with regular maintenance like pumping every 3 to 5 years, and avoid flushing anything besides toilet paper and waste. Also, don't park or build heavy stuff over your drain field because it can crush the pipes and mess up the whole system. If you notice any weird smells or slow drains, call a pro right away. These signs mean something's off. And always get a licensed contractor for installation or repairs, because cutting corners here can cost you big time later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic systems is ignoring regular pumping, which causes sludge buildup and backups that are expensive to fix. Fix this by scheduling pumping every few years based on your household size. Another issue is flushing non-biodegradable stuff like wipes or feminine products that clog the system. Only flush what's safe and throw the rest in the trash. Lastly, many folks mess up by planting trees or parking vehicles over the drain field, which damages the pipes underground. To keep heavy things off that area, and plant shallow-rooted plants instead. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trustworthy local contractors who really know their stuff with septic systems and other home projects. It also gives contractors a simple way to connect with clients who need their skills, so everyone wins without the usual hassle.